Hello all. Today I will be showing you a nice way to look at code. So let's see how you all know that by default when you look at any code in terminal without any editor, it looks very bland and there is no colors, and it becomes sometimes difficult to understand the code without the highlighting. So this is how generally the code looks like. There are a lot of options available to view the code in highlighted form in GitHub and other places, but I like a simple solution that I have come up with and wanted to show it to you. So I have alias known as ccat for color cat. I can give any file to it and it shows me the color highlighted code in terminal. Now what I am using for this is a Python module known as pygmentize. You can look at the help of pygmentize with -h, and it will tell you that there are a lot of options that you can use in pygmentize, and it is a very flexible color coder. It is used in various other tools as well to get the color coded tools, and it has option to give specific lexer or specific color style that you want to use, and you can modify the style according to you as well. So let's get into how the whole thing works. Now if you look at the man page of pygmentize, you can basically see that the pygmentize module basically uses standard in and standard out for its input and output, and hence it makes it so useful in using alias. We don't have to give the file names and all those things, and automatically it should work. Now with that said, we don't really need a lexer because we might want to view different kind of files, and unless you are streaming the code into the pygmentize module, it will if you are streaming the code, then probably it will not be able to guess the code language of the code. But if you are giving a file like me, then mostly you don't need to specify the lexer. Lexer is basically the language in which the code input is given to pygmentize, and if it is not given, then pygmentize will try to determine the language and use the lexer accordingly. With that said, the other thing that you might want to look for is the style option. The style option is the one which basically gives the color to the whole code. So let's look at the alias that I have created, and the alias is very simple, where I am running pygmentize and I am using just the style that I want, and -f is the format of the output. I am using console 256 here because we want the output to be in NC escape codes for the colors, so that the terminal can display the colors. We don't want it in any HTML or MD or any of those formats, so that the terminal can display it. Now with that said, there are a lot of styles that are automatically available by default available in pygmentize, and there are things like stata and all, but let's look at the different pygmentize styles. For example, I see a SAS style here. I don't know how that looks like, but if I wanted, I can just change the style in my alias to use SAS rather than the RTT that I am using now, and you can see the color has changed. Just to show you the difference, I will use one more style so that you can see the difference. If I change this to alcohol, then you can see that the formatting of the function has changed, and it is highlighted in a little different way than it was highlighted earlier. So this style will allow you to change and modify it in a way that makes most sense for you. With that said, thank you for watching the video. Thanks.